Today we're going to be setting up the stock control within Jupyter Office. Before you can start ordering items or having deliveries delivered, you must set up a few things within the office itself. First, we need to set up the suppliers where we buy the items from. Click on Stock, Suppliers, Supplier Details. We can edit a supplier or add a new supplier at the top. When we add or edit a supplier, we give it a supplier name, reference if you wish, contact details, and any notes you wish to put in about the supplier. We then click Save. Next, we click on Stock, and we have Stock Units. This is the inner and outer sections of the stock units. For example, we here have a barrel with 88, pints, bottles. These are all the different stock units you could possibly have. Within the units, it is very simple, a name for the unit and the number of units of sale within there. Here, we would have 88 pints within a barrel. We can set up any number of stock units we wish. For example, we can just set up cases of 24, so that may be 24 bottles in a box. Case of 6 units in a box. Whatever we want to do, we can set up the stock units. Next, we must set up the products themselves under product programming to be able to do stock control. So if I go to Bex and click Edit, we will see a tab called Stock. We can click on that. Here we have a tick box called Manage Stock. This must be ticked for the item to appear in stock takes, orders, and so on. We then say, where do we buy it from? You can purchase from any supplier, but this is the default supplier. What would you like it to appear in reports? Stock reports under, so we'll say units. What's the default purchase unit? We can change this on the orders, but this is the default one. How do we want to stock count it? Default number in a case. If we go back to the Prices tab, you will see you've got an average cost box in there. This is the average cost per unit. So if I just put £1 in there, what you'll actually see is if I click in price 1, it will work out the GP for you. If I click in price 2, wherever I click, it works out the GP for you. The last cost field cannot be edited. That is filled from the next time you make an order and it gets delivered and you put the cost price in. You click on Save. The final thing to sell initially is under Maintenance, Products, and Product Stock. Here, we can go into any product, click Edit, and we can set what level do we want to be alerted at. So let's say we want to be alerted at 88 pints. The minimum level we ever want to have, this is for automatic reordering. And anything that you want maximum, again, for automatic reordering. At this point, we can set a default stock unit. So we can say, actually, we've got 88 pints in stock. At stock, are you sure? Yes. And that's set Bex for 88 pints at location of Morecambe. That is the minimum that you need to do to set up to run a stock control system.